Hey everyone, welcome to How Chic. So today I have an unboxing from Chanel, and this is from the 22P collection. There was some 22S collection there, but I didn't get that one. I got it from the pre-spring summer collection. I do have a vlog on this and I will link it up here, and let's just get into it. So it came in a big bag like this. It's actually a box that is way too big for this bag, but they gave me a humongous box. It's way bigger than the one that I got from my classic flap. So I'm gonna untie the ribbon here, and then inside is the huge box. And then here we have the classic black box with the camellia on there. So if I take off the flower, stick it on the side, and tie the ribbon. Then we have the magnetic box, and inside we have the tissue wrapping just there. So here we have the tissue paper with the Chanel sticker, and open it up. And here we have the Chanel dust bag, and it's the black one. So you know for sure that I didn't get the classic flap this time. And that's a really nice material here. It's got this drawstring detailing at the ends. And then here we have this beautiful blue bag, and it's such a beautiful Tiffany blue color, and this is perfect for the spring summer collection because there's just so many beautiful pastel colors like the beautiful pinks and blues, and I chose the blue one, which was actually so unexpected from what I would normally pick. So now I'm gonna take off the tissue paper. And this is the small size business Affinity. If you've watched my previous video about is Chanel classic flaps worth it, then I did suggest whether to get this one or the mini rectangulars for a better investment, and it's more on the affordable end for Chanel. I know affordable and Chanel don't really go hand in hand. This is more on the price that you possibly can stomach. This is about £3,500. and I got this brand new in store. They only had 2 of them in stock, and they didn't have any pink ones available in this size, but they did have it in the size up and then the one bigger than that. So have a look out for that if you have the opportunity to look in store. What I liked about the Business Affinity is that it does have all of the elements of the classic design, where it has the flap with the CC turn lock, and it also comes with this beautiful strap. And I like how this strap is really nice. It's a lot smaller than the one on the classic flap, but it's proportional to the size of the bag. But I kind of like it because it's more of a delicate detailing, and it sparkles a bit more when you wear this. The hardware is more of a champagne gold, and I just think it suits the Tiffany blue so well. If you open the CC turn lock, inside we have a nice large opening, and this was actually quite surprising to me because this fits a lot of things. So I'm just going to remove the packaging, and inside we have a nice large opening here, and we have a zipper pocket at the back, and this also pops out so that you can fit a lot more items in there. At the top you also have the chip because they got rid of their authenticity cards and their stickers for just one microchip in there, and that has just the 2-in-1 authenticity just right there. And then you can link this to an online account where you have 5 years of warranty. So previously I did believe that from online I saw you can get 5 years warranty on just the classic flaps, but actually they gave me the 5-year warranty for this bag too. So I think from April 2021, if you bought a bag from then onwards, you have 5 years guarantee to change anything but the leather. So like replacement of the hardware, any damage to them, and then they can just replace that for free. So anything with the scratches on the CC turn lock, then that would be excellent. So all of that would come with the warranty. At the front, we have another pocket detailing, and the zippers here say Chanel, and it also has this quilted design with the CC logo on there, and that's just really cute. And if you open it up, then it also has a little filler in there, and we have just a nice pocket. This could fit like a couple of cards, could fit a lipstick in there. It's just a nice extra handy pocket there. And then when you close the bag, it just fits easily on there. And then at the back, we also have a nice back pocket. So this is something that I would really love to fit like an Oyster card in there. So when you're traveling, you can just take it out easily and then tap in and out. So it's just really easy access. It doesn't open up quite a lot, but it's enough to just have something really thin and small in there. And then at the top, we have the nice handle. So this I really like. And I think I'm just gonna add a twilly scarf over it because I just wanna protect the handle a bit. And with the chain strap, you have this detailing of this Chanel 31 Rue Cambon, and it's just imprinted onto the metal hardware. And then this chain strap is not detachable, so it's all attached in there. I kind of prefer it because I like to wear my bag crossbody or on my shoulder, so it's just a lot easier than just holding it just by the handle. And this just makes a really functional bag. So when I was trying this bag on in store, I had the option to try the Coco handles, the different sizes of the business affinities, and I saw that the mini Coco handles, they were able to fit crossbody, but I remember the smalls definitely is a struggle when it comes to wearing crossbody, so it's only made for the shoulder bag, but all the business affinities are made for crossbody wear. So this is something that I really liked, and it's actually something more beneficial than wearing the classic flaps, because the classic flaps are notorious for, if you wear it crossbody, then it's a real struggle. But if you're quite on the petite side like me, I'm 5'4", then it can be borderline okay to wear crossbody. But this one, you can wear it at ease, and it's not too long and it's not too short. So this is a beautiful gem that is given to me from my mum, and this is a gorgeous gem, and I will treasure her forevermore. And this is a perfect match to add to my collection alongside the Barbie pink Chanel, I think it was the 21P as well. So I tend to stick towards the P collections because I just love the spring, especially the pre-spring summer collections, and the colors are just gorgeous. A few other things that you can find in the box is the 5 care tips by Chanel. So this is just any little tips to look after your leather bags. And then this is also another care booklet, and it has a care booklet here, but also it has this microfiber cloth, so it's really good for just buffing out and cleaning your bags. So this is really handy, and everything in this box is really well packed. And this box was too big, so the sales assistant actually offered to give me another box next time I visit. This is much bigger than my classic flat box. So that is my unboxing of the new business affinity, and again, it is something that is more in budget than the classic flats because they go for 6,500 plus, whereas this one is pretty much nearly half the price, and it's 3,500, and you get more bag for your money. So hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you like these type of videos, then please do like and subscribe. If you just want to chat to me, anything beauty, fashion, lifestyle, then please do message me on Instagram at hauchicyt, and comment below if you want to see more Chanel videos, any comparisons between this and the classic flaps, then please do let me know. And finally, I give you all of my hugs and my love. Bye.